Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy meringue. First, ensure your egg whites are completely free of any yolk. Even a tiny bit of fat can prevent your meringue from whipping properly. Use a very clean, dry bowl, preferably glass or metal, and a clean whisk. Gradually add your sugar, a tablespoon at a time, while whipping. This slow addition helps the sugar dissolve and creates a stable meringue. Once you start whipping, watch for soft peaks to form before adding the rest of your sugar. This is crucial for incorporating air effectively. Keep whipping until the meringue is shiny and hold stiff peaks when you lift the whisk. The mixture should look smooth and not grainy. Overmixing can cause the meringue to collapse, so stop as soon as those perfect peaks appear. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link to it and other great deals in the description. Now let's get back to the video. Baking meringue is more about drying it out than cooking it. Set your oven to a very low temperature, typically around 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 95 degrees Celsius. Bake for 1 to 2 hours, depending on their size, until they are firm and crisp. Then, turn off the oven and let the meringues cool completely inside. This prevents cracking and ensures a perfectly dry texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.